Hey guys, didn't get any time to get anything done on the Camaro today. Got some time done on the remote control car, the UDR, got a tour part, getting it repaired, broke some stuff over Thanksgiving. Get it back together and have some fun on the racetrack I built out here on the side of the shop. Other than that, not much going on. Hung out with the baby today. Wyatt trying to drive the golf cart. Having a good time. On today's adventures, we're with Wyatt in the golf cart. Easy driving. Where are we going, bud? Wanna go fast? So I'm pretty sure this kid wants to drive. Alrighty guys, failure analysis. What all did we break? We bent the rear upper trailing arms, front drive shaft, tore that thing right in half. We're going to be upgrading it though with a steel joint. And we managed to break a pin that holds the front control arms together. We also at some point last time bashing tore up the front TV joint, so they're no longer matching. I'm going to go ahead and replace those since we've got the truck torn down to this level quite a bit. Since we're here, we're going to do a few upgrades. Go ahead and do some aluminum knuckles, steering saver, aluminum tie rods, a couple of bearings. Going to replace the rear axle. I suspect it'd be bent. Go ahead and just do both of them while we're in there. Some other fresh bearings. Get the UDR cleaned up. Also found out, tore up another wheel. Hex should look like. Shouldn't look like. Well, hey, Russ, we've got one more spare. We'll put some boiling water to the test. Boil that tire off, it's still good. And glue it onto that wheel. Hey friends, so you saw the UDR in action, had some fun out there. Didn't quite get any good video of the full track that we've got in the backyard. Got pictures of the jump, try to get some sweepers in there. I need to get a tripod for the camera so that I can actually stand up. Kind of hard to hold it and film. As you saw there was me resting the phone on the fence and taking some cool video. Do a little better to get it updated, have some more shots for you. My UDR is pretty fun, a lot more fun with that Max 6 ESC in it. Got the punch level set to 4, really spins off 4 tires, really awesome. Definitely now happy with all metal gear and metal drivetrain, holds up real well. Not breaking that front drive shaft, no problems. Says hot racing shafts, no worries. One thing I did notice with these modifications we're adding, we're starting to get a little heavy here, so the nose of the truck is starting to dive down pretty hard. So I'm thinking I have to find some weight to add in the back of it, maybe do some ballast in the back tank. Maybe we'll find some little heavier wheels to put on the back of it. I need to do something on it because the little nose of the truck is diving pretty hard. I also noticed the shocks are keeping pretty down, the compression staying pretty hard. They're not rebounding back up on the front, so I need to dive into that and figure out why that is. I think we need a new body for the truck as well. I'm gonna just keep it blue and yellow, my colors, rock them. We'll get that going on the truck. We're gonna get the Arma. We got the Monster Slash going. We got a Metal Gear in for that, and should be able to have that back out here and running. Thanks friends for joining us here today again. Checking out the Traxxas UDR. Good, fun, reliable truck now that we've gotten pretty much bulletproof, I would say. I don't like putting metal arms on trucks, so I'm happy with these RPM arms that are on it. Holding up well, taking fence banging's pretty good. Hits the fence pretty hard on some of these jumps, as you may have seen. I'll get that camera tripod and get some better shots of it. And stay tuned, guys. Should get this Camaro going ASAP. I got those final plugs in for the back of it. Something I wanted to do to the motor. It was a 20-cent O-ring that was much easier to change now while the motor is out of it than it would be to pull the intake back off and swap them out later. One of those scenarios where we do it right and do it now, and then instead of if we don't do it now, we will be doing it later. But we got the time, so we'll get that knocked out. I may see a video here on the Corvette. We're gonna do all new brakes on that, power motor, antenna, get that replaced. Just keep the drivability back on that Corvette a good. Just enjoy the cars. Remember, they don't have to be crazy. Just enjoy them, have a little fun. Don't forget to make a little mayhem. Keep it safe, keep it smooth.